Hello folks, 01A here. We got an X-Force base station, 1.2 kW base, fairly new build. First on side, I really like these power supplies. I'm gonna have to call X to see what's up where he gets them in. I like them. Anyway, we're looking at 12 pill. I've come to the conclusion 2879 HGs and PP100s are the same thing. See how they march? Now I want to make something clear. This is not a bash X-Force video. The user that had this box, his antenna messed up, he got a high SWR, blows some pits. I put 5 HGs in it. It's got, he wanted it fixed, he didn't want it rebuilt. It's got 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5 new HGs in it. I changed that resistor, changed them 3 back there. Alright, put all new capacitors on output transformers. The reason why I couldn't get it in balance, I thought it was a pill to start with because I was mixing, but it's not. It was one of these wafer type capacitors went bad, failed, but a pill's blowed on it too, so it probably killed the capacitor. Long story short, I did that. But I want to tell y'all something. I seen a guy, a gentleman. The first thing is, I'm not going to bash no other builders. I hate that. They say, oh, I'm not calling his name, but I'm working on this thing. You know, that's, you just call his name. But anyway, I don't do things like X-Force does, but that don't mean their stuff don't work. Anyway, there's a builder other than, well, no. There's a gentleman the other night said, if you got a box and it's got these capacitors in it, and he was talking about X-Force, it's got these capacitors in it, he said, buy you new capacitors from ICA immediately, metal clads, and change them out. Regardless, he said, change them out quick as you can. But what he didn't tell you, ICA sells one metal clad resistor, and it's 1,000 puff. Okay? I'm not going to tell you what, but them's not 1,000 puff. So if you jerk these out, and you throw it in ICA 1,000 puff capacitors, all through and through here, metal clads, then your whole box is going to be out of tune. It's my 2 cents for what it's worth. You have to retune everything. So if you change this value, then all this changes. But he told you to go ahead and jerk them out and put 1,000 puff metal clads from ICA in there without changing anything else. I thought, okay, yeah, that'll work. Anyway, I kept the tune the same, everything's the same. Like I said, it's X-Force. The guy said he wanted it fixed. He didn't say he wanted it rebuilt. There's a big difference. So I put 5 new HG 2879s in it. And I'll tell you how I know the HG 2879s and PP100 is the same thing. I don't care what you look at by looking at them. This is a 2-watt resistor, okay? There's a PP100, HG. 2-watt resistor. PP100, HG. So if they were different that bad, like people say, they wouldn't balance out with the 2-watt resistor. That means that these 2 pills and these 2 pills are within 2 watts of each other in that section. Same thing over here with one HG, PP100, 2 HGs. And these are the originals. So I pretty much come to the assumption PP100 is HG 2879. Alright, that being said and done, whether I'm right or wrong, this is my 2 cents again. But like I said, do not just jerk them out. Do not just jerk these out and order metal class from ICA because they only sell one value and it's not this value. And when you change that value, everything changes and whole info. Okay, I'm done. Alright, we'll start out Radio Drive, Galaxy 88. I'm just trying to help everybody. And by the way, you won't see me bashing no builder, not X-Force, not nobody. I just, hey, everybody does things different. If it works, it works. Good for you. Alright. Radio Drive, 12 pill X-Force, reverse, power, 500 reverse. Radio Drive, cheeseburger, half watt. Input 10, Radio Drive, cheeseburger. You see, that's good. Alright, we're going to shut him off here. Wait a minute, let me show you what he's doing. 1,000 slow, get in a hurry. Radio Drive. Cheeseburger, 200 average. PP, cheeseburger, 400, Radio Drive. That's 5 watts, forward bird. Shut him off. Turn on the Texas Star modulator. Let's see what it's doing. 1,000 watt slug, PP, and see what we're going to drive with. Cheeseburger. We're going to be going with the belt. Turn back on roll. Cheeseburger, about 190. About $1.90. We want 2 cheeseburgers, whatever. I'm gonna cut him back on. Alright, this is driven, 200 watts drive, reflex, 5-watt reverse. Radio drive, cheeseburger. 2.5 watt reflex. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, go down. So look, 2.5 watt reflex, not bad at all. Still nuts, everything's staying cool. Alright. 1,000 watt slug. Driven power, average. Radio drive, cheeseburger, 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 go down. It'll whistle 1,000, you know, that's pretty good. Alright. 2,500 watt slug, PEP, driven, 190 drive. Cheeseburger, radio drive, wait a minute, I'm sorry, driven. Texas Star to a 190, radio to 190 into the 12 field. Cheeseburger, go down. Check everything, make sure it's good and cool, yep. All the resistors are cool. All your 2-watt resistors are cool. See if there's imbalance there, you couldn't do that. It would burn you. It would take me a second to get my finger off of there. 2,500 watt slug. With the Texas Star to a $1.09. Working on the legs, force 12 field. Working on the legs, force 12 field. Boat. Cheeseburger, 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 cheeseburger. Got down on my legs, force 12 field. I'm leaving on in. Burger, 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 burger. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Radio drive, cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. If you look, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that. That means this thing's balanced within 2 watts. So there she is. She's all ready to go. Just gonna do a little repair video. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Your friend 10-018 Visa. So bye bye bye.